Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Travis and welcome to Crazy Money Daily, where we make money simple. Our mission is to break down personal finance, credit, investing, passive income, banking, business funding, and wealth building into easy-to-understand animated videos using engaging whiteboard and Pixar-style storytelling. Whether you're trying to improve your credit score, qualify for better loans, start a business, build passive income, invest wisely, or simply take control of your finances, you'll find practical step-by-step guides designed for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. On this channel, you'll discover personal finance made simple, credit repair, step-by-step, how credit scores really work, banking tips banks don't usually explain, business funding and startup financing, passive income ideas, investing for beginners, government programs and grants, explained, side hustles that can grow into businesses, budgeting and debt elimination, wealth building strategies, entrepreneurship. Our goal is to help you make smarter financial decisions with clear explanations, engaging animations, and practical advice you can use immediately. New videos every week. Subscribe and start building your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Our main video categories are but not only limited to personal finance, money management for beginners, budgeting made easy, save your first $10,000, financial habits of millionaires, credit, increase your credit score, credit repair, step-by-step, best secured credit cards, credit utilization, explained, collections explained, late payments, banking, banks that like small businesses, how banks decide loan approvals, build banking relationships, best credit unions, checking versus savings, high yield savings, loans, beginner's guide to personal loans, how to improve your loan approval chances, small business loans explained, SBA loans, step-by-step, equipment financing, lines of credit explained, business funding, startup funding explained, business credit, EIN versus SSN, build business credit, vendor credit, net 30 accounts, angel investors, venture capital, government programs, federal small business programs, grants explained, housing assistance programs, education grants, disaster assistance, tax credits, benefits you may qualify for in investing, stock market basics, ETFs explained, dividend investing, index funds, compound interest, retirement accounts, passive income, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, online courses, AI side hustles, rental income, dividend income, make money online, freelancing, AI tools, content creation, selling digital products, e-commerce, dropshipping, print on demand, social media monetization. Whether you're looking for extra income, hoping to pay off debt, or interested in building a business, this video breaks everything down into simple, actionable steps. Before you go, remember that everything shared on Crazy Money Daily is for educational purposes only and isn't personalized financial advice. Always do your own research, understand the risks involved, and make informed financial decisions. Hi everyone, I appreciate you all and your opinions, as well as your ideas or questions you may have about money, finance, investing, business, personal finance, Bitcoin, smart contracts, insurance, banks, banking, credit unions, stocks, bonds, ETFs, high-yield savings accounts, Roth IRA, 401k, money motivation, wealth affirmations, and more. We are creating playlists covering the topics above and additional topics such as making money with AI, beginner investing strategies, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency explained, passive income ideas, personal finance and budgeting, business growth and entrepreneurship, YouTube growth and online income, wealth building habits and mindset. Each video builds on the last, helping you expand your knowledge one step at a time. Choose a playlist that matches your current goal. Watch a few videos in order, take notes, and apply what you learn. Small actions repeated consistently can lead to meaningful progress. Before you go, here are 4 ways you can support the Crazy Money Daily community. 1. Subscribe. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on money, investing, AI, business, and financial education. 2. Like this video. If you found value in today's content, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube recommend our videos to more people who are looking to improve their financial knowledge. 3. Join the conversation, leave a comment below, and answer today's question. Tell me, if you had $1,000 to invest in yourself today, what skill would you choose to learn and why? We read your comments, and many future videos are inspired by your questions. 4. Share this video. If you know someone who wants to learn more about AI, investing, or building financial skills, share this video with them. Learning together can make the journey even more rewarding. Welcome to Crazy Money Daily, where financial education meets innovation. If you're a brand, fintech company, investment platform, AI business, financial institution, entrepreneur, educator, or YouTube creator, we'd love to connect with you. Our mission is to build a trusted global community focused on smarter investing, responsible wealth building, business growth, financial literacy, artificial intelligence, and the future of money. We're actively looking to collaborate with financial and investment brands, AI and technology companies, business software and SaaS providers, educational platforms, personal finance experts, entrepreneurs and startup founders, YouTube creators and podcast hosts, industry leaders who want to educate and inspire audiences. Whether you're interested in sponsorships, product reviews, interviews, educational collaborations, affiliate partnerships, podcast appearances, or co-created content, we'd be excited to explore opportunities that provide real value to our audience. At Crazy Money Daily, we believe the best partnerships are built on trust, transparency, and a shared commitment to helping people make informed financial decisions. If you'd like to collaborate, advertise, or grow with us, subscribe to the channel, join our community, and reach out through the contact information in our channel description. Together, let's educate, innovate, and inspire the next generation of investors, entrepreneurs, and creators. Welcome to Crazy Money Daily, where smart money starts with smart knowledge. Next episode preview. In our next episode, we'll explore one of the hottest topics in finance, Bitcoin's next bull run, what smart investors are watching before the next major market move. We'll discuss how market cycles have worked historically, key concepts to understand before investing, common risks, and why many investors focus on research, diversification, and long-term thinking instead of trying to predict short-term price movements. If that sounds interesting, click the next video or start the playlist now. Thank you. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. No matter where you are in your financial journey, remember that every step forward counts. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep making thoughtful decisions that move you closer to your goals. Until next time. This is Crazy Money Daily, helping you learn smarter, invest wiser, and build a stronger financial future, one day at a time. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we continue building smarter money habits together. Like, follow, comment, share, and subscribe for more finance and investment content. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial, tax, legal, or investment advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, accountant, or attorney before making financial or business decisions. Stay tuned in for more videos on investing, personal finance, passive income, business, entrepreneurship, financial freedom, wealth building, money management, asset protection, credit, taxes, and smart investing, compound interest, eighth wonder of the world, compound investing, investing for beginners, long-term investing, wealth building, financial freedom, passive income, personal finance, investing, stock market, long-term investing,
subscribe now
entrepreneurship,
as we talk
Crazy
about
Money
finance
Daily,
and investment
hashtag
to help you
Crazy
build
Money
wealth and
Daily,
financial
hashtag
intelligence.
wealth building.